This is a cutaway of a Bridgestone casing that will show you the bead package and the number of structural stability that has been put in to the constructions of the casing. And then we have a actual tire that has gone 1 million miles. So this is one of several, but this one in particular was started as a Bridgestone casing and then was retreaded twice to get to 1 million miles. And this is the sort of aspiration that we actually want more fleets signing up to be able to track their mileage and showcase what they can get out of a new tire / retread program. On the right side, what we have is several examples of new tires on one side and then a retread on the other. So you can visually take a look at the tire quality and how comparable they are in terms of construction and similar treads. Then I'm going to walk back here. We always have a running video of the fleets we depend on, just so people can get a sense on. There's several versions of this. The one you saw that I showed here today was the Anthem video, but then there's one specific to firefighters. It goes this one for that, one specific to school, and one specific to packaging. We advertise the fact that we have this award. So what we're having people do a lot of times instead of writing it down, let's take a snapshot of this so they can go online and actually nominate. Because we can all nominate people that we know that are fleet drivers, whether it's our garbage collector that we depend on, and we see the hard work that he's doing and how we want to acknowledge that. So this is one area that we do. On the back side of this, which we're not doing today, but when we're at a dealer location and they have a plant, we offer plant tours so you can actually walk through and see the 10-step process that is the Bandag process. This is we call it a story booth. When we say testimonials, it makes people a little uncomfortable, but it's a story booth. We are capturing, so there's 8 questions in here where you would answer. It may ask what your name is, what do you work in the industry, what would surprise people about what you do, what are you most proud of, what's the hardest part of your job. So that's what we're capturing there. And then this is a fun, interactive sort of gamification station. This is where you can test your knowledge of retread. And I can see there's a leaderboard, so we have and McDonough is up at the top of the leaderboard. May not come off of there. But that's where we test our knowledge on retread. And then the back side of it, when we don't have a plant right available, there's actually the 10-step process, and we use technology to be able to, there's an AR here, and you can actually put it up against a step, play a video, and a seasoned veteran in our industry, 30 years with Bandag Bridgestone, will actually tell you the story, and he does it in such a very fun way. He uses examples and anecdotes, and he does little show pieces. So he's a very good person to take you on a plant tour virtually. So that's what our tour entails. And if you guys want to continue to look around, we're here to answer any one-on-one questions, or if you have any other things you want to hear about.
We're going to do an 18C tour now after this as well.
Thank you for saying that. So what we are going to do is take you in and actually let you see the Global Technical Center. So we're going to walk into the building across the hall. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay.
And some customers. That's right.
Okay.